All right, so here's another viewer question I get a lot. Can I skim coat over wallpaper because it just won't come off? Yes, I have. It's not, the best case scenario for you, but I've done it. I actually did it. We did a whole hotel where we did it to remove the wallpaper, and the wallpaper would not come off. So we ended up doing 500 rooms of skim coating over the wallpaper. What you need to do though, you got to make sure that all the wallpaper is nice and locked down, no bubbles, no loose spots. So around receptacles and in the corners, there's usually some loose spots. So you want to go ahead and cut that stuff out. And then on the corners, you definitely want to cut it out because you're going to have to tape those corners to get them nice and crisp, because the wallpaper kind of gives it a round radius look. You want to cut the corners out for sure, around receptacles and light switches, because usually it's loose around those areas. And then just tape it as normal in the corners with the paper tape. And at any seams where there's the wallpaper, where it meets another piece of wallpaper, you want to go ahead and tape over that as well. I like to use a fiberfuse drywall tape, but you can also use a fiberglass mesh. But if you use a fiberglass mesh, you need to use a quick setting compound, which comes in a powder form. So I recommend just using the fiberfuse and then going ahead and taping and mudding as normal on those areas. Oh, I want to mention something real quick is around receptacles, when you're doing mud work with your metal taping knives, you want to turn the power off of that, whether it's a receptacle or a light switch, because you can get a shock if you hit the inside of that outlet or a switch. So just turn off the power at the circuit breaker on whatever wall you're working on. Hey, and if you have a question, leave it down in the comments and it might get featured in one of these videos. I'm Peck, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.